Welcome back to Motorcycle World. Today we're diving into a detailed and in-depth comparison of two versatile motorcycle tires that, despite having some overlapping use cases, serve very different types of riders: the Continental ContiMotion and the Mitas Terra Force-R. Both tires are designed for riders who prioritize affordability, longevity, and solid performance. However, while the ContiMotion is built primarily for sport touring use on paved roads, the Terra Force-R is an adventure touring tire designed to handle a mix of road and light off-road riding. So, which one is better suited to your riding style? Whether you're commuting, touring, or exploring, we'll break down the tread design, grip characteristics, wet and dry road performance, off-road capabilities, comfort, mileage, and overall value of both tires, and help you decide which is the best fit for your motorcycle and your adventures. Let's get started. First up, Continental ContiMotion. The Continental ContiMotion is a popular sport touring tire known for offering dependable performance at a very competitive price point. It's aimed at riders of mid to heavyweight touring bikes, sport tours, and even older sport bikes who want solid grip, smooth handling, and high mileage, without spending a fortune. The tire features a single compound radial construction, engineered for consistency and longevity. While some modern tires use dual or multi-compound designs for optimized edge grip, the ContiMotion single compound is tuned to balance performance across the board, especially for riders who are less aggressive and more distance-focused. In dry conditions, the ContiMotion provides predictable cornering behavior and stable mid-corner feel, making it an excellent tire for riders who spend long hours on twisty roads or highways. Its zero-degree steel belt construction gives it strength at high speeds, contributing to a planted and confident ride even on heavier bikes like the Yamaha FJR 1300 or Suzuki Bandit 1250. The tread pattern is simple but effective, offering decent channeling of water in wet conditions. While not designed for aggressive track use or high lean angles, the ContiMotion holds its own in spirited riding and is especially praised for its comfort, smooth feedback, and low rolling resistance. On the downside, the tire is strictly for paved roads. It lacks any kind of off-road design or carcass flexibility, so it's not suitable for gravel, dirt, or poorly maintained roads. Wet grip is acceptable for moderate speed riding, but it does not perform as well as higher-end sport touring tires in aggressive wet conditions. In terms of mileage, riders can typically expect 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers, depending on riding style and load. Combined with its affordable price, this makes the ContiMotion a value-focused choice for everyday touring and commuting. Now let's look at the Mitas Terra Force-R. The Mitas Terra Force-R is part of Mitas' newer generation of adventure touring tires, developed for dual-purpose riders who split their time between asphalt and occasional unpaved roads. Think of it as a 90-10 tire, with 90% road performance and 10% off-road capability, making it ideal for bikes like the BMW F850 GS, Honda Africa Twin, or V-Strom 650 used mostly for touring with light ADV detours. Unlike the sport touring-focused ContiMotion, the Terra Force-R features a more rugged tread design. The grooves are wider and deeper than a pure road tire, allowing for some grip on hard-packed dirt, gravel roads, and even mild off-road terrain. The central tread band provides solid road stability, while the shoulders feature channeling that helps maintain grip when leaning into turns, even in light off-road conditions. One of the standout features of the Terra Force-R is its multi-compound technology, which uses a harder central zone for mileage and a softer shoulder compound for grip in corners. This gives it a dynamic riding feel and adds to rider confidence during spirited rides on twisty roads or in wet conditions. When it comes to comfort, the Terra Force-R performs well on long tours. Its carcass construction is reinforced, providing stability under load and during high-speed riding, yet it retains some flexibility to absorb uneven surfaces off pavement. This makes it a strong contender for riders who frequently travel long distances with luggage or a passenger. In terms of durability, the Terra Force-R offers very competitive mileage. Riders report 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, depending on usage balance between on and off-road. It's also designed to warm up quickly, so it delivers grip early in the ride, and it maintains a consistent feel throughout its life cycle. It's not a trail tire, and won't perform in deep sand, mud, or technical enduro terrain. But for riders who want touring comfort with the confidence to take the occasional dirt road, it's an excellent choice. Let's break down the key differences between the Continental ContiMotion and the Mitas Terra Force-R. Tread design and application. ContiMotion, smooth, road-oriented tread designed for high mileage and dry grip on paved roads. Terra Force-R, dual sport tread with deeper grooves for light off-road capability and versatile road grip. On-road performance. ContiMotion, great dry grip, especially for the price. Smooth, stable, and comfortable on highways. Terra Force-R, excellent road grip with improved cornering thanks to dual compound tech. Off-road capability. ContiMotion, none. Not suitable for any unpaved roads. Terra Force-R, light off-road use, including gravel and compact dirt roads. Not for serious trail riding. Wet weather grip. ContiMotion, moderate. Performs well in wet, but lacks advanced silica compounds. Terra Force-R, better wet performance, especially in corners, due to advanced compound mix. Ride comfort and noise. ContiMotion, very quiet and smooth on-road, especially at touring speeds. Terra Force-R, slightly noisier due to tread depth, but still refined for an ADV tire. Handling and stability. ContiMotion, predictable and stable, ideal for relaxed and consistent riding styles. Terra Force-R, more dynamic handling, better cornering grip and high-speed confidence. Mileage and durability. ContiMotion, 8,000, 12,000 km, depending on weight and throttle control. Terra Force-R, 10,000, 15,000 km, with good performance over its lifespan. Target riders. ContiMotion, budget-conscious sport touring and commuting riders who stay on pavement. Terra Force-R, adventure touring riders who want on-road comfort with light off-road flexibility. Continental ContiMotion, pros. Heavy checkmark, affordable price and solid all-around performance. Heavy checkmark, smooth, quiet ride for commuting and long-distance touring. Heavy checkmark, good stability and predictable handling for road-focused bikes. Heavy checkmark, suitable for riders who don't venture off pavement. Continental ContiMotion, cons. No off-road capability. Limited wet grip under aggressive riding. Lacks premium compounds found in higher-end tires. Mitas Terra Force-R, pros. Heavy checkmark, excellent combination of road performance and light off-road use. Heavy checkmark, durable dual compound construction. Heavy checkmark, great wet and dry traction for touring and spirited riding. Heavy checkmark, comfortable under heavy load and long-distance travel. Mitas Terra Force-R, cons. Slightly louder and less smooth than a pure street tire. Not designed for mud, sand, or technical off-road terrain. Higher initial cost than budget road tires. Final verdict. Which tire should you choose? If your riding takes place exclusively on paved roads, and you're looking for a low-cost, reliable tire for touring, commuting, or general street use, the Continental ContiMotion is a fantastic value. It offers respectable performance, long life, and a comfortable ride at a wallet-friendly price. But if you ride an adventure bike and want something that can handle a mix of highway and occasional gravel, without giving up road manners or longevity, the Mitas Terra Force-R is the better pick. It's more versatile, delivers superior wet grip, and opens up opportunities for detours off the beaten path, all while remaining comfortable and durable on pavement. Ultimately, it comes down to how you ride and where you ride. Are you a dedicated pavement tourer or a rider who likes to explore dirt roads from time to time? That's it for today's in-depth comparison of the Continental ContiMotion and Mitas Terra Force-R. Let us know in the comments. Would you stick with the reliable on-road comfort of the ContiMotion or go for the adventure-ready versatility of the Terra Force-R? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and see you on the road.